In this section, we will talk about displaying a level complete message and then moving on to a level 2. And I will just briefly walk you through a couple things. Over here in level 1, remember in our monkey, we used to have this display or play a sound. I've removed the sound from this because all I really want is for the level to freeze, and the music you won't be able to hear the music when this level freezes anyway. So the monkey is not a good place to play that end of level music anymore. But let's go back to the game and let's take a look at, remember down here I created this card which when we listened to the message player death, it showed the card and sent a suspend scene message. Well, I didn't record it for you because it's a little tedious, but I also created this new card which displays a level completed message. It listens for the message level complete, which is sent by our goal on level 1. It will slide that into view, and then it will send the message suspend scene. So let's take a look at that. We'll play this, and now when we touch the monkey, we get a level completed message. I click Y, and level 1 starts over again because I haven't yet created a level 2. We can see the current level is set at level 2, but we don't actually have a level 2 yet. We just have a level 1. Let's create a level 2 very, very quickly. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to display level 1. I'm going to hit the plus button here, and I'm going to create a copy of level 1 with link object data. What that means is basically now I've created an identical copy of level 1. I'm going to rename that level 2. And just to show you that it's a different world, I'm going to RZ90. I'm going to move this guy a little bit. We'll rotate him. I'm going to move him over here. My camera will follow. And now we're just going to see a different setup. So what we're going to do now is when we go to the game level, I'm going to click on my controller, and I've added a whole bunch of new bricks. And I'm not going to force you to watch me make all these connections, but I'll talk through what I did. The main things that I did was, remember we had all this scene remove level 1, scene suspend level 1, and then we had a scene add level 1. Well, I've created bricks now that add level 2. I'm going to change that to our brand new level 2. Set this level 2. I've created a new property called current level that we store the level. Here, after we add level 1, I set this variable current level to number 1, and that'll be important a little bit later. Minimize these guys so we don't need them anymore. Suspend level 1, we don't need to worry about that anymore. That just says remove scene, so we don't need to change that. Remove level 1, that says add level 1. I'm just reminding you what all these bricks say. And now we have an add level 2 that sends this message. We have this actual scene actuator. Remember, the message just, you have to listen to the message and do something. Well, now we're going to do something. We're going to respond to add level 2. Come over here. When the message add level 2 appears, then we're going to, from the scene actuator, add level 2. We're going to change the property of current level to level 2. Here, when we are listening to the message suspend scene, when it is level 2, we could add this property here, then we're going to suspend the scene level 2. When we want to remove the scene level 2 because we've received that message, we change that to level 2. And let's see, that message, that is just Yeah, that's adding on level 2. So I'll change that. All right. So if I've done this properly, when we play, we'll come up here, and now we are in a different world. This is level 2. It's actually just a different copy of level 1, but I just wanted to show you that things are different here. The level up works. When we come up here, we still get the message to display level 2, but we don't have a level 3. So what we're going to do in the next video is, now that we've created a level 2 to get to, we'll try to make this world a little bit more interesting, and you can just build on from there. And we'll go back to the game sensor, and if you want to copy this code yourself, I'll just expand all these bricks so you can see what I've done here. Again, these are all just pretty much similar to what they were in the past, but I'll open them all up so you can take a look. And if you need to, you can, freeze frame or whatever and make all these details. You're also welcome just to download this game file and work with it. So the beauty of this system is you can now switch between level 1 and level 2, and as long as in level 1 you have an object which, when you collide, it sends level complete, everything else is taken care of. And you'll switch to whatever level 2 that you have. So in next video, we'll try to make level 2 a more interesting world to work with.